One of the common questions we get is how much home can I afford, or how much can I get a mortgage for? And they're really two different questions. I mean, how much you can qualify for may be entirely different than how much you actually want to spend. So, and that changes obviously as the interest rates change, and it also is a little different based on how much money you want to put down. Some of the special programs that are out there for lower down payments require higher interest rates and other factors. So there are a number of different kind of nuances that play into the process. But once we sit down and understand what your goals are and what kind of loan you're after, then we can create a very specific and simple formula to understand, how to look at homes that make sense for what you actually want your monthly payment to be, or want your down payment to be, or what or a combination thereof. Some people are focused on just what the monthly number is. Some people are focused on cash out of pocket, and some people are focused on both ends of the transaction. So we do understand a fair amount about the mortgage process and what loan programs are out there. So once we sit down and talk about your goals from a real estate perspective, then we can pair you with a lender that makes the most sense based on what it is that you're after. And we can also give you, like I said, a formula that does provide insight into how to look at homes and how to think about prices. There are a number of factors that do go into that monthly payment that are different than what a lot of websites show. So you'll always typically, when you see a mortgage payment out there, see at least the principal and interest. That's the core part of the mortgage payment. But typically when we're talking about a monthly payment, you're looking also at what do taxes run prorated monthly? What does insurance run prorated monthly? Depending on the amount of down payment and the type of loan, if there's mortgage insurance, then you'll want that number in the calculation. And if you're in a neighborhood, either of single family homes, or if you're in a condo or townhome complex, then you'll want to think about what the HOA fees are, or POA fees, and make sure that those are also included in that number, so that you're looking at a realistic picture. Based on the type of property and the age of home, we can also help you understand from a maintenance perspective what it's likely to cost, so you can be budgeting those figures into your calculations as well.